Your full name. What is your full name?
Hanami Magracia.
Come again?
Hanami Magracia.
Hannah May Magracia. Did I got it right?
Yes.
Okay, Hannah May Magracia. Is this your first time to join?
Sa Ocampos, Apo.
Yeah, okay. But first, where are you calling from? Taga saan si Hannah May?
Sa Akayan Street. Sa may pendler.
Fendler. All right, okay. You ready?
Yes.
All right, first answer the topic of the day. What are the things you're addicted to?
Coffee.
Coffee!
Yes.
Oh, that's a good addiction, huh? Nakakailan sa isang araw?
Basta pag-trip maya-maya, ganon.
Ay, ganon. Maya-maya. Hindi mo alam kung ilan sa isang araw.
Oo. Minsan, 3 cup per 5, ganon.
Oo. Gigising ka ng 6 o'clock, mga 6:05, pangatlo na yun, ano? Ganon.
Oo. Ganon. Kahit gabi, nagkakape.
Alright, that's a good addiction. Alright. And next thing for you to do is give me the details about the upcoming sale of Ocampos Olongapo. Do you know?
Opo.
Okay, what's it called?
Wipe out sale.
Alright.
September 23 to 25.
Okay. Wow, congratulations. That's good enough. But also, you need to sing the Ocampos jingle, huh? Alright, are you ready? Is this gonna be your first time to sing on live radio? First time ba? Oh, sige.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, the singing debut of Hannah May on live radio. Fire.
Okay.
Okay.
Ocampos Mall is for the whole family.
Tin, 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 tin. Oh, yun yung nagdadala dun eh, no? Yun yung magdi-declare ng pagkapanalo mo. Tin, 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 tin. Okay, congratulations, Hannah May Magracia. You won a gift pack courtesy of Sonio from Ocampos Olongapo, of course. All right? So you know where to claim your prize?
Saan po ba?
Okay. According to Kuya Kimo, nagbago na yung claiming area eh. Doon na raw sa Ocampos Olongapo, near Rizal Triangle.
Okay.
You're familiar with that place? Of course, syempre, di ba? It has been around for many years now. Okay. So pwede mo na i-claim bukas ha. Don't forget to bring your ID.
Okay po. Salamat.
All right. Congratulations, Hannah May. And before you say goodbye, you got some greetings? May mga gusto kong batiin?
Lahat po ng mga empleyado si Jorela.
Diorella! Ooh, you're there now. Nandiyan ka?
Yes.
Ikaw naman, di mo sinasabi. Nandiyan ka pala eh. Sa bunutan kita eh. Okay, congratulations to you. Before you say goodbye, what is your favorite color? Hindi, biro lang. Favorite radio station?
89.5, Civic Bay Radio.
Okay, congratulations. So there you go, people. First winner of the Ocampos Mall Radio Contest, right? And the good news is we're looking for the second. We need one more caller, okay? So call us now, 252-8905 if you want to win the Ocampos giveaway. A Sonio gift pack for you. All right? So we got one more calling. Let's check it out. Okay. Hello, caller.
Hello po.
Hi, what's your name?
Ronnie.
Ronnie. Ronnie, can I get your full name?
Ronnie Moyano.
Ronnie
Moyano.
Muyano. All right. Dude, where are you calling from?
I'm from Tayan Subic Incorporated.
Come again?
Tayan Subic.
Tayan Subic. All right. Sa Industrial Park, right?
Yes po.
Okay. Hey. So you're gonna join the radio contest, obviously, right?
Nagsa-second thought ako.
Nagse-second thought. Medyo patay tayo dyan. Mahirap mag-second thought.
Patay tayo dyan.
You wanna give it a try?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, sige. First, you need to answer the topic of the day. What are the things you're addicted to?
Pag umulan.
Uh-huh.
Pag umuulan usually,
Saan kaya papunta to, no? Pag umuulan? Sige, pag umuulan...
nanonood ng movie sa tablet or natutulog.
Okay. Oh, masarap nga naman gawin yan pag medyo umuulan-ulan eh, no? Sarap manood, sarap Kala ko kung ano na eh, pare. Kinabahan ako, pare. All right, next thing for you to do is give me the details about the upcoming Ocampo sale. What it's called and the duration date. If you've been listening, narinig mo, sinagot ni Hana kanina, yung nauna sa'yo.
Yes, but I'm on Facebook kasi.
Ay. If you're on Facebook, it's also on Facebook. Yeah.
Really?
Oh.
Fan page niya?
Yeah, just look for Ocampos. Nandiyan yan. Sige, go ahead. Nandiyan lang yan. Sa tabi-tabi. Now searching, huh?
Searching.
Okay. Sige, go ahead, search.
It's a campus. A campus.
What's the sale called? May pangalan yung sale eh. May tawag sila dun eh. Parang yun yung nangyayari pag nagsusurfing ka. Tapos tinamaan ka ng malaking wave. Alam mo yun? Lipad ka. Yun yung tawag dun eh.
Searching.
O kaya pag tinagalog mo, pwede rin tagalogin mo yan. Ang meaning niyan pag tinagalog mo, yung asawa wala. Asawa labas. Englishin mo yun, pare. Ayan, may clue ka na, ha?
Hindi ko makita.
Asawa labas.
Asawa niya ba? Why?
Englishin mo.
Wife. Wipe out.
Pare, galing mo. Nakuha mo. Wipe out sale. Yan. Okay. O, sige. Since nahulaan mo yun, i-declare na kitang winner first. Pero kailangan kantahin mo muna yung Ocampos jingle. Are you up to it?
Yes.
Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Tira.
1, 2, 3.
5, 6, 7, 8.
For the whole family. Paano ba isa?
Tin. Medyo mahihain eh, no? One more time, pare. Yung medyo makapal ang mukha ang dating.
Oh, compass small for the whole family. Tin.
Okay, pwede na yan, pare ko. Congratulations to you, Ronnie Moyano. Ikaw ang winner. Pangalawang winner, actually. Alright, the second winner. And you know how to get to the... you know how to claim your prize, right?
Yes.
Punta ka lang doon sa Ocampos Olongapo. Bukas daw pwede na i-claim.
From anong time po?
Well, Ocampos is open from morning pa lang hanggang gabi. Bukas yan, alam ko eh.
What about weekends po?
Pag weekends, I'm not really sure.
Kasi
What?
I'm on work until 5.
Okay. Pwede pa yun. Abot ka pa. 5 p.m.?
Yes.
Oh, bukas pa yun. I think hanggang 7 or 8 p.m. sila.
Okay pa.
Abot ka. All right. Congratulations, Ronnie Moyano. You wanna greet some friends of yours, maybe relatives?
Pwede mag-request na lang ng song.
Oh, sige.
Yung recent na narinig ko, yung kanta ng 5 Seconds of Summer. Yung Amnesia.
Amnesia.
Yeah.
All right. Yan yung team song ng mga may utang sa akin eh. Alam ba yun? Amnesia.
Para play DJ, no?
Yeah, I'll put it on the playlist, pare.
Yes. Play.
Sige, congratulations, Ronnie. Before you say goodbye, what is your favorite mode of transportation? No, your favorite radio. No, nawala na. Tamo to, kinakausap ko pa eh. Ayaw sagutin yung favorite mode of transportation. Sige. Okay, we're gonna play his song and and check out the final batch of answers to the topic of the day. All right? For the meantime, here's the requested song, 5 Seconds of Summer with Amnesia.
Learning from our mistakes doesn't sound nearly as fun as laughing at yours.
89.5
Rocks.